Buy Sculpture's Home Care Kit, especially designed to keep your natural nails healthy and strong at home. In this tutorial, we'll be demonstrating the different ways of how to use the kit at home. The first method we'll do is gel removal. Start off with your thin black file, removing the top layers of your gel from the nail. Remember to remove all the shine. Apply a drop of almond oil to the nail. Almond oil will help to rehydrate the nails and keep the cuticle supple. Take out a remover sachet. Tear the top of the sachet along the dotted lines. Remove the plastic strip, exposing a sticky layer that will help keep the sachet in place on the finger. When applying the sachet onto the finger, make sure that the cotton piece is on top of the nail. Remover sachets can also be used to remove nail polish from the nail. Fold the sachet, make sure that it's tight on the finger. Leave to soak for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the remover sachet. Use a thin black file to gently remove the excess gel from the nail. If you can see the gel hasn't soaked properly, you can reapply your remover sachet for a few more minutes. Use your file to shape the free edge of the nail to your desired shape. In this case, we did a square shape. To prepare the nail, use soft pressure along the back of the nail and sides of the nail to remove the dead skin. This will make nail polish last longer. Kiwi Scrub contains passion fruit seed powder that will exfoliate and rehydrate nails and cuticles. Apply to each nail. Massage the Kiwi Scrub on the nail plate, cuticle area, and surrounding skin. Added vitamin C and E, ginseng, root extract, sunflower oil, and sweet almond oil, which will moisturize and hydrate the nails. After applying Kiwi Scrub, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly. Cut a piece of cotton or a nail wipe and apply a drop of vitamin dose to the wipe. Gently wipe over the nails. The nails will absorb the vitamin dose. Vitamin dose has a combination of vitamins to rejuvenate, moisturize, and nourish nails. The next step would be your base layer. In this case, we'll be using lavender base. Lavender base is specifically for weak and damaged nails. Rosemary leaf extracts and carefully selected oils will soothe, treat, and restore damaged nails.